In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a column to your Word document. By default, Word writes like this, from left to right across your page. But what if you want to write a newspaper article where you have 2 or 3 separate columns? In this video, I'm going to show you how. To get started, select on the page where you want the columns to take place. Then go to the top of your ribbon, select Layout, and then you're going to identify the columns button. Select this once. By default, like I said, there's normally 1 column. So if you want to make 2 columns, select 2, and now your text has been split across 2 columns. You can do this for 3. Now, if you select left, that means it's going to be thinner on the left and wider on the right. And if you click right, it's going to be thinner on the right and wider on the left. If you click more columns, you can add more level of customization to it, and you can apply it to the whole document or this point forward. In seconds, you can now apply different levels of columns to your Word document. Remember, Word by default has 1 column, so you need to click Layout and Columns to add in more. If this video has helped you, click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you want to learn more about how to use columns in your Word document, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.